3:30 p.m. August 30th, 2019, and I'm back again. Paying our bill, but we'll get a quick daylight view of what they're trying to do. They took off early today because they should still be working, I would think. Well, I can't get across. Yeah, I can. What's this crossroad here? I forget. I cannot see the screen due to my lenses, boy. The parking lot's gonna be great. Kenny. I don't see how we're going to have two lanes there. Looks like one lane. But the way they got the parking set up, it's going to be two lanes, so that's cool. Massive sidewalks now. It's taking them so long. But this is just a quick update. And we're over here by a tattoo place. I know somebody likes tattoos. I have nothing against them, but they're cool. I'll never get one. I hope everybody's doing well. Truth, peace, freedom, love to all. I'm looking due east, all the way down Washington Street. I wish I could see the screen. Hope everybody's alright, whatever's going on. Oh yeah, you're looking west, down west to the sunset here soon, and you're looking back east. Alright, I'm done.